I'm here watching Silent Hill because last night I fell asleep watching it, and I am dying of gas because I had some mixed nuts and puff wheat, and of course the bloat is here. I'm thinking about doing dreads. I don't know. I'm indecisive. I feel like right now I don't want to have any hair, but since winter is coming, I will get cold in my head. I got gas, I got burps, gum clicking, tired as hell right now. Man, this fox is still lingering around here. So this guy's molesting this girl in this movie. She said it again. Excuse me, baby.